So welcome to this 1 minute meditation, helping to bring ourselves to our centre. So just sitting comfortably wherever you are, let your eyes softly close or just lower your gaze. Take a slow, gentle breath in and then slowly let it out. Let the breath release, let the shoulders drop as we exhale. And just paying attention as you breathe to the weight of your body sat against the chair or the floor, wherever you are. Letting your weight drop down into the support that's beneath you. And just bring for a moment your awareness to the sounds around you. The quiet sounds, the louder sounds, the sounds close by, further away. And then take in another slow, gentle, full breath. And as you exhale, allow your eyes to slowly open or your gaze to lift.